The name's Tryhard. Ethan Tryhard. Hey guys, we just got back from an awesome hike. I'm having video on that. This is the intro because the first intro didn't go so well. Yeah, it was all over the place. So, yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Let's cut to it. Hey guys, it's Ethan here, and we're at one of the mini waterfalls of this place. There's a couple of these, but there's not too many, and it's a steep and treacherous descent. But look at this, you can see the crawfish in there.
Crawfish in a creek.
You see those pink things in there? Those are crawfish.
Oh, those crawfish. It's like a little...
And then over here... Oh, look at this. Oh, it's polluted. Come on, people.
Okay,
But look at this. Look at this. This is awesome.
Hey, dark shadows never, ever pollute anything.
Ellie, you're sounding like a nature show. Oh, hey, a tree fell over. But you can see it.
It's like a little lake. Okay, we have to go. Let's go keep hiking. We'll see more.
Yeah, right over here is a lake. And then a tree fell on this. Look.
I'm tired.
Yeah, I know. Sorry. Branch. If you see limbs flying all over the place, it's probably because I'm fairly uncoordinated. But look at this. We've got like all of this stuff.
All of this farms.
We've got this
Area.
over here. We've got flowers. We've got all of this amazing forest area. But we gotta go back. Our mom's calling us.
Well, his mom.
My mom's calling us. Also, my mom was my first subscriber, by the way.
My friend was my first subscriber.
No, but she was actually my first subscriber. This lady right here. Okay?
Yes.
This lady was my first subscriber. Yeah.
This lady is my aunt.
Hey guys, it's me again. This is one of the major waterfalls of this place, but there's a much bigger one to come. But here we are. This is a double waterfall. Heard of the double rainbow? Well, this is way better. Look at that. That's awesome. And then here's this one up here. This is the first of the two major waterfalls. And then here it is. This is awesome. Look at this. And then it goes all the way back. It's a river going to the main one. It's awesome. Hey guys. This is one of the little ones. It's smaller, but it's really nice.
Hello.
This is one of the video. Well, no, this is one of the smaller areas. It's the runoff.
Small one.
And you can see the
There's some
you can see the stuff running around
over there.
You can see it running around. And no waterfall this time, but there will be another one.
Yeah.
Hey guys, here it is. Here's the waterfall. It's not the big one, but it's the smaller one. It's really cool.
This place does have a trail that you go down to a little bit, but it's really dangerous.
Yeah.
So
And
we recommend if you ever come in close to one of these places, please don't.
You guys hear that?
Hey guys,
That's the sound of running water. That's where the waterfall. Well, that's where some of it is. You can't see it right now, but that's where it is.
But yeah, we're at part of the waterfall. It's really cool. Here.
It's awesome. Look at this. This is awesome. Look at it. It's amazing. That's a rushing water. It's amazing. Look at this. This is awesome. I know I said this last time, but look at this. Two huge waterfalls. Look at that. And it's even got like a cave underneath it, like where you can go down.
Yeah. The first one does at least.
That's awesome.
Cool.
Hey guys, it's me, Mr. Tryhard here. This is the end of the video. Hope you guys liked my everything. It's awesome. Cool. That was really, really cool. But thank you guys so much. if you liked it even more.